Okay, awesome. We are live. Can you guys hear us? Can someone just ping on the chat? Okay, awesome. Awesome. Okay, hey, welcome everyone to this session of Nama Blockchain. It's crazy times. We plan to do this offline, but obviously, because of COVID and all, we have to do online. In a way, it's better because I saw people from all over India and even outside register for the event, which is awesome. So everyone can attend from home. In a way it's good, but the downside will be that we won't have pizzas. So last meetup we did was in October last year, so we had pizzas then, amazing pizzas, but unfortunately, I can give you virtual pizzas now. So I don't know how many of you all attended our meetup last time, but Nama Blockchain is basically, we try to bring in real use cases of blockchain and educate people about them, because we feel that blockchain has become a marketing term, and only we see activities around trading and price movements, but we also want to solve real world problems, right? With blockchain, where does it make sense to use blockchain? So that's the goal with Nama Blockchain. And also, we named it Nama Blockchain because we want projects to come from here, from India. We've seen a lot of projects from abroad, from US, from Europe, even from China and South Korea, but we don't see a whole lot of projects from India, right? But I think that's slowly changing. We are seeing a lot of awesome projects from India also, this is just the beginning. So I'm really excited about it, and I hope this will be an amazing session for you guys. I hope you learn a lot. So we have three amazing speakers. So first is Sunil Agarwal, who is the author of Bitcoin Magnet, and then we have Karthik, who is the CBO of Acumen, and third we have Tanvi Ratna, who is the founder of Policy 4.0. So I'll be introducing all the speakers when the session starts. I don't know how many of you all have used Airmeet, but I'll just give you an introduction. So in the chat section, you can just ask your questions. You can chat with each other or anything you want. And also there's a raise hand option where, after the session, if you have any questions and if you want to ask directly, you can just click on the raise hand button and you can ask the question through audio and video directly, right? So you can ask through chat also, anyway, whichever you feel comfortable. So yeah, what else? Yeah, there's also the networking session. Like in between sessions, you'll have a grab a chair option, so you can just click on it and you can network with each other, chat with each other, right? So that's one thing. What else? Yeah. So I think that's it. We can get started now. So first, before getting started, I want to introduce you guys to Blockchain India, who is our community partners. They are doing some amazing work from the past like 2 years. They've you know conducted a lot of events. They're all over India. They have a huge community in India. So I want to introduce you guys to Manav, who's gonna tell more about Blockchain India. So Manav,
Thank you,
yeah.
Shikhar. Uh, hey guys, are staying in some weird times now, where we used to meet all of you guys personally. It's come to a virtual meetup, and meeting all of you here. Uh, Quickly telling you about Blockchain India, we started off as a working group with six of us 4 years back, where we were curious people who wanted to learn about blockchain and see what all use cases are there and how we can benefit it, and make sure how the country and people and developers here and entrepreneurs can benefit. It started off we doing it together, six of us sitting together and learning and solving each other's doubts, and then we opened it up for inviting others. We started it from Bangalore at Thought Factory, and we had a really good first meetup where we had around 20 people, and we learned a lot from the attendees, and they also learned from us, and we had a different perspectives about understanding how blockchain is and how, what cryptocurrencies are and what use cases are there. Fast forwarding it 4 years into the being developing the ecosystem. We recently crossed the silver number. We are 25,000 plus members pan India. We
Hey Manav, I think you're not audible. I think we lost your audio. Oh, okay. Can you hear me? Yeah, we lost your audio. Okay, you guys can hear me, but not Manav. Okay. One sec, I'm just checking it. Okay,
Okay,
Manav,
can
can
you
you
hear me
refresh?
now?
Yeah, we can hear you. We can hear you.
Okay,
Yeah.
perfect. I know there's some issue with the hands-free. All right. So, telling you about Blockchain India, we started with Blockchain India 4 years back as a working group with six of us meeting together and solving each other's doubts, learning about different use cases and how we move ahead. We opened it up after 6 weeks of learning together, and we realized that we learned so much from each other. We thought let's open it up and call in more people who we think so will enjoy and are looking to learn about it. So we did our first event in Bangalore at Thought Factory. Fast forwarding it 4 years now, we recently crossed the silver number and we are 25,000 pan India members in our community. We are present in four cities, that's Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore, and Hyderabad. We keep organizing a lot of knowledge sharing events. We do try to help the ecosystem grow, help in any ways entrepreneurs coming from here. Guys, can you hear me now? Perfect. Okay. So helping them out, trying to build the ecosystem and making sure that we are moving ahead and building bringing the best teams and the projects from India so that we can compete in the global world. Just to say, if you guys are interested in interacting and knowing more about what's happening in this space, interacting with other people from the ecosystem, do join our forums. We keep having a lot of discussions on our Telegram page and on Facebook groups. We keep sharing all the latest information that's happening around. So you can search us by the name of Blockchain India. It's blockchain with an ED. And I'm looking forward to hearing all the speakers. There are some really amazing people. We've got a chance to talk to and listen to them in the past and learned a lot from them. Welcome and thank you, Stika, for giving us this opportunity to being partners with you. And all the best, guys. Thank you.
Okay,
Looking forward.
awesome. Thanks, Manav. So
Thank
we'll just take a quick 2-minute break and we'll be live with our first speaker, Sunil. Okay. So see you guys.